Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard covering modal bottom sheet. Okay, so I've created this modal bottom sheet, and as you can see, if I start to type on the keyboard text field, it will hide the modal bottom sheet by this keyboard. Okay, so to fix that, open up your Flutter project where you have created the modal bottom sheet. Okay, I've created this modal bottom sheet to the home screen. It's showing through the floating action button. Okay, here is the show model button sheet. Inside it I have created the column and two text fields and buttons, one elevated button. Okay, and as default to this show model button sheet is scroll control is false. Okay, it's false as default, so it's showing like that. It's not scrollable as default. We have to make this to true so that it is now scrollable. Okay, now it is stretching on top. So because it's we have given the column here, inside this column we have created this form. Okay, let's keep the minimum size, main axis size to minimum, so that this column will take the minimum size of the model bottom sheet. Okay, perfect. Now I have given the padding to this column by all side by 20. Let's keep only top by 20 and right by 20 and left by 20. Okay, save it. Here we go. And let's remove this const, and to the bottom we'll give the we'll give the we'll find out the keyboard's height and and give padding to the bottom of the model sheet. Okay, this will calculate the keyboard's height and give padding to the bottom of the model sheet. And now let's close the model button sheet and let's try to type now. And as you can see, it's taking the keyboard height and it's moving the model button sheet. Okay, we have the keyboard height padding. Now also let's keep the padding below this uh, button. Maybe let's keep 25 and let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have now padding. Okay, this will calculate the keyboard height and adding the padding by 25 to the keyboard height. Okay guys, this is how we can fix the keyboard covering the model button sheet while typing to the text field. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.